In this day, and the price open right here above the previous day, I put this white line to identify between previous day and today open, and I will make more close the chart right here and open right here with this green candle above the previous day. In the first 15 minutes, the price made three green candle and then made a pullback with this red candle. And as you can see, this candle, it is bullish engulfing because involved the previous candle. What that mean? This mean it is enter in call stop loss right here, right here below the candle, because if the price goes down, I have my stop loss already. And from here the price made five green candle. My like I said many times in my previous videos, between 4 and 5 green candle in average in my exit in gold. I was waiting. I was waiting for a red candle to exit. However, the price made a 5 green candle in row. I took profit and I exit the position because always take profit, because you don't take profit, the price can go down and you gonna minimize your profit. And from here, as you can see, the price stayed above the support, and the last 40 minutes of the day, the price dropped down with 4 red candle. And today, in this morning, in the pre-market, the price is above the support. All these, all this is pre-market. In the pre-market now is sideways. When you see the long horizontal sideways, this means I call this smart money, because when the price stay for a long time in sideways, there will be a strong at movement. Be attentive for today. If the price stay above the support, if the price today when the May 14 stay above the support, be attentive to enter in call only if you setup is completely clear. On the other hand, if the price open below this level, I want to change the color, because if the price open below the support is gonna become resistant. Um, the price can go down. Nobody knows what the price today gonna do. The more important is stick to your trading plan, because this is the fuel of your trading. Again, one more time, if the price stayed above the level on the support, me personally, I will be focused to entering in call, because as you can see in the pre-market is it was sideways for a long time, and I'm saying today will be a strong and moving. What I'm saying is I will be attentive only if I see a good pattern to enter in call.